Good morning, Michael Feller here. It's Monday the 26th of October. You're watching Deals TV on Business Spectator. And this morning, some interesting developments vis-a-vis the public listing of Kathmandu. Jan Cameron, the founder of the well-known outdoor wear company, has said that she isn't ruling out creating a new company that could rival Kathmandu. Jan Cameron knows the business arguably better than anybody else, and she says that she can produce garments of the same quality for half the price. So what's really stopping her? We'll wait and see. Similarly, there's some worries about valuations for Myer. Last week we spoke about some reports that fund managers and so forth have been putting out, most notably CLSA, the Hong Kong-based research firm, a subsidiary of Credit Lyonnais, has put out a very bearish report on the prospects for Myer, saying, not my Myer, I think that was the title of the report, and Target, in perhaps the ultimate insult, is now comparing itself to Myer. Myer likes to think of itself as a high-end department store, perhaps similar in some way to David Jones, which is of course listed, but Target is very much comparing itself to Myer. On to other deals now. Talk that CSR could raise about $400 million in capital. It's planning to demerge its sugar and ethanol businesses from its building products division. And also, Babcock and Brown Infrastructure is suing Bronte Capital, or at least they're threatening to sue Bronte Capital. Bronte Capital is a hedge fund attached to a blog, or some might put it, a blog attached to a hedge fund. And they've threatened legal action in regards to Babcock's preference shares. Babcock is in turn threatening legal action, saying that Bronte was issuing misleading statements. On to other deals which look belly up. Nicholas Bolton, the 27-year-old bête noire of the investment community, has left the registry of MMC Contrarian. He sold his shares into Guinness Pete, run by the slightly older corporate raider Sir Ron Briley. And onto another Bolton company, Multiplex Prime. It's thought that the consortium of Grocon, led by Daniel Grollo and Oak Tree Capital, an American funds manager, is no longer going to be dealing with Multiplex Prime in a rescue bid. And there's also talk that Stephen Conroy could be backing down, albeit in a different way, from the battle for Telstra. It's thought that his decision to split the company, whether it's a voluntary split or a forced separation, is so politically controversial that the government will have to renegotiate its plans. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing is up to you. Anyway, that's all we've got time for. I'll see you tomorrow.